Hi, myself Deepthi Aktota, and today is my topic about real-time chat application. I'm going to talk about the introduction of real-time chat application. In today's hyper-connected world, real-time communication is critical. Real-time chat applications have transformed how we interact with each other, whether it is for personal or professional purposes. The purpose of these chat provides a seamless, instantaneous communication that foster connections regardless of geographical boundaries. These studies explore the design, development, and challenges building such an applications. And coming to the project scope, we mainly target the audience like for general public, specific groups, or internal teams. The main key features of is like one-on-one chat or group chat, multimedia sharing such as multimedia sharing images, videos, and video calls, platform, web, mobile, iOS, Android desktop support. The user interface experience focus on the user-friendly intuitive interface. Coming to the design and prototyping, wireframing, basic layout and structure. For prototyping, we use interactive prototype to test user experience. Visual design, color scheme, typography, imagery, and consistency. Technological stack, coming to the front-end framework, React.js, backend framework, Node.js with Express or Python with Django Flask. Database, PostgreSQL, MySQL for WebSocket for real-time communications. For the backend development authentication, we use secure user management with O authorization or JWT for authorization. Messaging engine, real-time messages sending and receiving using WebSockets. Database stores messages, users data and meta for efficient querying. API development, develop RESTful APIs of for graphical QL endpoint for communications. And coming to the front end development, we need to implement the UI, which is build user friendly responsive components based on the wireframes. For real time integrations, use of WebSockets for seamless message delivery. For and we also use Redux or Context API for dynamic data updates for state management, and to handle the file, enable users to upload, share, and download media files. Coming to the testing, we use mainly four types of testing. One is unit testing, integration testing, end-to-end testing, and performance testing. For unit testing, we test individual components to ensure correct behavior in isolation. For an integration testing, we will verify the components interact correctly within the app. For end-to-end testing, simulate real user actions to check application integrity. For performance testing, access the access the application performance on the different load applications. For deployment and maintenance, host the application using cloud services such as AWS and Azure for implementing continuous integration and deployment for automated testing. And we also for monitoring, we used to like track app performance and uptime using the monitoring tools. Maintenance, regularly update the app with new features with security patches and updates. For consideration, design the app to efficiently handle a growing number of users. Make it a simple security, implement end-to-end encryption to protect the user privacy, data accessibility, ensure the app is usable for people with disabilities. So the people with disabilities can also easily use the apps without any problem. So for internalization, support multiple languages to reach a wider audience. And coming to the challenges, the real-time feedback, moderation, and prevention. So when the feedback is came, we need to prevent it from, and we need to make updates, and we need to address monetization, competition, and user engagement, create an accessible interface for all the users. Real-time chats enable secure instant communications, balancing features, scalabilities, and security fosters. So coming to the challenges, the future improvements will focus on innovation and user experience. Real-time communication will transform interaction and collaboration. And thank you for watching.